going to write the equation of the line below. The form of the equation that I'm going to use is called slope-intercept form. It's y equals mx plus b is this form for that. M is the slope. The slope is just the steepness of the line, how steep it is. B is the y-intercept. So y and x stay in your answer. So y equals a number in front of x and then a number at the end, the intercept. I'm going to get the y-intercept first because it's the easiest to find. The vertical axis going up and down, that's the y-axis. Your job is to see the line that they drew to see where it touches that line. So it is touching at 4, and that's a positive 4. That's the number that goes at the end. Now, to find the slope, let me erase this so you can see what I'm doing. To find the slope of the line, I'm going to you go under the line, you always go under, and connect these two dots that they drew with a right angle. So what I have just drawn here, if you look carefully, is a right triangle connecting the two dots. Now, I want you to tell me how tall that triangle is. You count the boxes, not the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes tall, and how long it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes long. Then you make a fraction just like it looks and you simplify. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. That's the number that goes in front of x. So the equation of this line is y equals 2x plus 4. And the 2 is positive because the line is going up. So again, I'm going to start with my y and my x staying like they are. I'm going to look at the y-axis, that's the vertical axis. And I'm going to look and see the line that they drew where it's crossing that axis, -3. Write that down at the end of your equation. Then I'm going to connect the two dots and count how tall that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how long it is. 1, 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And because the line's going up, that's a positive 4. So y equals 4x minus 3. This is a little bit different. It's going in the opposite direction. We'll discuss that in a moment. Y and x stay in my answer. I'm looking for the m and the b. Okay, so I'm looking to see where that line they drew crosses the y-axis. That is at a -1. That goes at the end. Take and connect these 2 points with a triangle. You always draw under the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 4 over 6 doesn't divide evenly, but as a fraction, you can simplify that because they're both even. So when they're even, just cut them in half. So half of 4 is 2, and half of 6 is 3. But I also notice that that line is going down. If it goes down, it is a negative slope. So my slope is -2/3. So my equation is y equals -2/3 x minus 1.